HVAC people!
All right, we got to get to work. So I already pretty much did my inspection on the unit as far as the cleaning. Check the capacitor. Had a 9.5. Got a -5 on it, which comes to about 9. Well, actually, I was getting 9 on that capacitor. And mine, it's a 10 microfarad. So 10 minus 5% is 9.5. It's a 9, but I'm gonna let it go. Should be fine. Not that low. But go ahead and check the amps on the blower motor. Like I say, if I felt there were no complaints, this is just a quarterly maintenance here. And no complaints about it's not cooling or anything. So I usually don't hook up my gauges, but just for fun. And this should be my last stop for the day. I'm gonna go ahead and record my pressures. Go to the Field Piece app. Sometimes I use Measure Quick, but I got to get a little bit more familiar with it. I kind of just like the Field Piece, but the Measure Quick, all I'm doing is for the check pressures. So I'm gonna connect hard. Low side. I guess these things come with low loss fittings on. Okay. I got 101 and 271 for my pressures, all right? I gotta grade me some holes, check the supply and the return. Hope I got a little self-tapper lap in here. Should have at least one. There we go. So I'll just set this in here. So I want to look at my rated amps on my compressor. I got 16. On my outdoor fan motor, got 2.2. On my indoor blower motor, got 3.4. So I'm gonna check the blower motor first. So these wires come from here. It's my blower motor. I got 2.4. Well, we can see that. 2.4. Got 2.0. So if you're a younger tech in the game and you're helping somebody, and if y'all out doing PMs and you're doing the diagnostic, you really want to go to lead 1, 2, and 3. For whatever numbers that you're giving him, if you're checking amps, you need to be heard loud enough so you can hear. You need to say it with confidence. And you want to go 1, 2, 3. So just like this compressor here, just say if I got red, it's line 3. I'm reading it right here off the thing. L1 is the black one, L2 is the purple, and the red is R3. I'm getting it from this cap right here. So I want to let them know. So L1, that's how you want to say it. L1, 9.1. L2 is 8.4. And L3 is 9.6. And then once y'all get a rhythm together, he gonna already know the first, second, and third number you call gonna be L1, L2, L3. So then you just be like 9.0, 8.2, and 10. Then y'all just get that rhythm, because you might have, you know, all these units on the roof. You got one person writing, you knocking it off. You might want to be the person that started off writing, so you can kind of get familiar with, you know, kind of like what's going on. All right, so next is gonna be my condenser motors. And just how I know this is my condenser fan motor, I'm looking at this cap right here, and I see these brown, so I see these wires right here. So I know this kind of coming from my condenser fan right here. So I got 1.9 and then 1.5. So I'm just making sure, you know, it's not over the rated amps, because just say if that compressor rated for 16, if I was getting like 16, even 16, if I was getting 16 or 15 or 18, 20, 25, I was over amping or even come close to that rated amp on that compressor, I'm gonna want to write that up and let the customer know we may have some problems in the future, or try to find out the reason why it's over amping. I already checked all my connections and made sure they were tight. You know, you want to get a screwdriver, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, just give it a little nudge and make sure everything is tight. You know. But it's kind of cold down there. When I got in there, it was 72. My suction line say about 100, 101. But this is a package unit, I'm not really worried about it. And my liquid line is 279, so the supply temp is probably gonna be real cold. So I'm not 66, not that cold. Really don't got, really not getting a good reading on this thing. Let me get it from here. Yeah, we dropping now. I know it's cold at 66. So we down in the 40. That's how I know. That's why that suction compressor probably that cold. But when I told her I was gonna drop the thermostat down to 65, she was like, "Ooh, that's cold." So you see, I'm at 43. So I mean, it's blowing snowballs. So. I don't know what I was thinking though, but that's the supply. Yes, this is my return right here. You see, that's why I put the filters in on this one. And that's that blower motor. This is the cabinet right here for the supply. So 39 and 66, that's a large differential, but like I say, it's cold out there, that's ideal. But if I had any inkling that something was wrong with this charge, I would just recover everything, because the small package unit with these microchannel coils don't hold that much refrigerant. I'll say no more than 5 pounds, but his PSI factory charge is 63 ounces. See, that's why it's really not good to hook your gauges up unless you just have to. If you do it, might want a low loss fitting on there. That's the calculator. It's 63 divided by 16. That's 3.93 ounces. Yeah, 3.93 ounces. So yeah, but that's all. That's my PM, the inspection. Like I say, nothing much to it. I'm gonna wash them coils just once a year. It's just a little quarterly right here. So we're just checking the belts, change the belts once a year, and replacing the filters quarterly. And plus the drain line quarterly also. That drain pan was clear. I got a little gunk out of there. And I'm thinking about putting me a little T right here. So they got this glue right here. I already have a T right here and clean out. So I can just flush that stuff on out of there. All right, that's a wrap right there though. Like I say, you're a newer tech, just not coming out on your job. That's how you want to be. You want to be kind of loud when you're speaking with your senior technician. You know, I don't mean screaming or nothing like that, but just talk loud enough so he can hear you when you're giving them your amp draws or your voltage. Because also he might have you checking voltage. You know, you just go to line 1, 2, and 3. I'm not writing anything down. You know, I'm a little one-man show. So if I seen anything, I'll just let them know. They don't go 1, 2, and 3. I'll just let them. I got 246, L1, L2. Got 240, L2 and 3. Got 245. The UEI kind of slow, ain't it? All right. Then if I want to go to ground, give me a good ground right here. Go to L1, L2. Ground to L1, 122. L2, 211. L3, 123. 123, 211. 123. Let's go to the compressor one. L1, 123. L2, 211. L3, 123. You tell them just like that. All right. I appreciate it, but I'm gonna get ready to wrap this one up. All right, so I wrote up that disconnect on every PM, so I'm just waiting on approval to have it repaired or remounted.